Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. Today we're going to be covering the Toronto twist. It looks like this. As you can see, the Toronto twist is a Queensland crossover where one whip gets thrown around the other arm. When this happens, the whips also change lead hands. So my right arm is on top, but it's going to initiate this throw, and that throw is what puts it on the bottom. How this happens is I make sure that first both whips go the same direction. So my top arm is going to do a reverse overhead crack, and that's going to make it spin this way. Meanwhile, my bottom arm is going to do an overhead crack, which is also going to make it spin this way. And when both whips are traveling this direction, naturally, my arms are going to cross. It's at this crossing point that I let go of the whip and catch it on the other side. So, I do my reverse overhead, I do an extra spin, I also do my overhead and do an extra spin. The extra spin on the bottom whip is a little bit unorthodox. Normally you would use the extra spin on top in order to change lead hands naturally like this. But now we're also doing an extra spin on the bottom, and that's what makes my arms cross. At that point, I just let go of the top whip, catch it on the other side, and then get my reverse overhead on this side and my overhead, and then I'm back in to the Queensland crossover. Something that I found helped was when I was learning, I would kind of wait before releasing the whip so that the thong had a little bit more time to get behind me, and that way when I released, the whip naturally wanted to go in that direction. I should also note that you're probably going to drop your whips a lot while learning this. Totally natural, obviously, and it'll come with practice. So I do a spin and a spin, bang. You can also do it after Tasman flicks. I find it's a lot harder to keep the whip kind of horizontal in the air. It ends up feeling a lot more like a skip over, but it is possible to do it that way. Now when I do the actual Toronto twist routine, what I like to do is I'll start with my Queensland crossover, and I'll make the space between the throws get smaller and smaller. So I'll just be doing my regular one, do a throw, back to the Queensland crossover for a while, do a throw, and now I'm going to make it so that it happens a lot sooner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it goes right into 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that would be the end of the routine. So that's the Toronto twist. Good luck. Excited to see you guys add some throws in your Queensland crossover. And I'm more excited to see you in our next video.